Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about jackets and I am super excited about this video. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from styling services to shopping hauls. So if you're interested in seeing videos all about clothes, then please subscribe below. For return viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back, for your comments and support. I really appreciate you, and I am so excited about this video to be talking all about jackets. You guys have seen in so many of my other videos that I have struggled to find jackets that have fit me well. Everything seems to be too big. Whether it's blazers, moto jackets, other kinds of jackets, everything seems to be too big for me. So I've actually found some pieces doing some shopping on my own, and I've kind of let some of you guys know that already through my comments, but I thought I would finally put together a video so you guys can see where I have ended up in my journey of jackets. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try these on and talk to you guys about where they came from and my thoughts on them, but I don't really feel like showing them to you ahead of time. That seems pointless. So let's just get right into it. Okay, first up, I'm going to start with Charlotte Russe. Now what I find with Charlotte Russe is they run a little small, kind of more closer to junior sizes, I would say. So when I order an extra small, I actually worry whether it's going to be too small for me or not. But so far I have found the extra smalls do fit really well. So most of these jackets are actually going to be from Charlotte Russe. So first of all, I've got this blazer. It's kind of a more of a knit type blazer. Has a button in the middle. This one is slightly snug, but I've just been leaving it open and unbuttoned, and I found it works really well. It has a ruched sleeve, and I just think it's a really cute blazer. So that's what it looks like in the back. So I just think, you know, it's a nice, good fitting, snug blazer that I can wear over a lot of things. Next up, we have I think this is called like the Longline boyfriend blazer, and I really love this one. Now, no button in the middle. It fits really well. It looks good. I love the look on it. It's just kind of a straight down type blazer with the 3/4 length sleeve on it. It comes pre-cuffed. I don't think you can uncuff it. So, and it feels good. It feels good. I think it fits cute. It's kind of like a blazer slash cardigan, and I think it's really versatile, and this is one I have to try to refrain from wearing too often. So I just have to hold back from wearing it too much because I just really love it. So thank you, Charlotte Russe. Next up, oh, what is this? Is this a Moto jacket? Yes, I found a Moto jacket and I'm super excited about it, and it was super cheap. 25 bucks. You can't beat that. 25 bucks. Super excited about it. It fits well, but I still have plenty of room underneath it to put, you know, thicker, you know, sweaters or long sleeve shirts or things like that under it. I have found, you know, my favorite way to wear it is kind of the half zipped up look, but it does zip up. It's got buttons on it here. It does zip up all the way if you so choose that. I don't know, does anybody actually wear their motor jackets like this? What do you guys think? I don't know. But I do like the half zipped up look a lot, and I think this is great. And this is actually a small and not an extra small. I'm not quite sure if I did that on purpose or not, but even the small seems to fit pretty well. What do you guys think? Does it look a little big? Does it look good? So really like this jacket. Okay, so this is essentially the exact same jacket. It's just in kind of I'd call it a plum color, but I've never been much of a color jacket person. I've always been very neutral, but I'm trying to branch out, try new things. And I really like having kind of a nice dark colored jacket to have on. Now this one is an extra small, whereas this is the exact same one as the black one, and just the black one is in a small. So I might be a little bit more restricted in what I can wear underneath it, but that's fine. I mean, I can kind of pick and choose based off of what layering I want to do. But here it is. Here's the jacket. Again, very cheap. So very excited about this. Haven't worn it yet, but I'm ready to. Okay, this jacket I actually think is going back. It was it was advertised as like a Moto trench jacket, and so I was very interested in it, but it came in a different material than I expected. It feels almost a little bit cheap. But I also felt like, I don't know, I just didn't really feel like I needed this. It has this zipper here. So, I mean, it's kind of Moto-ish, as I said, where it's got, I think the only thing that must qualify a jacket as Moto is like this zipper that's to the side. So I have it zipped up here, but then it also has like a trench aspect where it's longer and it has this belt on it. So I'm getting assembled here. My husband does not love it when I wear jackets that take 10 minutes to kind of put together. So he knows if we're at a restaurant and it's time to go, let Jen stand up, put her coat together before he even bothers to get up, because it takes me 10 minutes. I'm also a very slow moving person. So, okay, so this is what it looks like with the belt on it. It has some zippered pockets in them as well. But I just wasn't overly excited about this. I mean, I think it's unique, but I just don't, it just didn't get me all that excited. So I think this one is probably going to be going back. I'd love to hear your guys' opinion on this. This is my last Charlotte Russe jacket, but I've got a couple more jackets to show you guys. This one I'm actually really excited about. This I bought off of the Facebook message boards where you can buy and sell Stitch Fix items. And this was originally $94, and it is new with tags on it, and I got it for $59 with shipping. So it was a really great deal. So I got this quite discounted, and again, you know, buying off of these Facebook pages is obviously risky because you're not trying it on before you buy it, and I've kind of, my first couple purchases didn't actually work out that great, but I just really loved the look of this jacket. I love it's striped here on the inside, and I thought that was such a cute detail, and then it has this red along the zipper, and so I thought that was just really cute. But I'm happy because it fits me, and I wasn't sure if it would. I've actually got a similar green jacket that I got from Saved by the Dress, but they don't have extra smalls, and so I got a small, and it's just a little big, and I kind of roll up the sleeve a little bit, and I find myself not wearing it that often because I just don't love the fit of it. So this is one that I would actually wear a lot in the fall. I mean, this is just a great fall jacket. And the sleeves are kind of, they aren't too thick. They're a little bit long, but not bad at all. I like the cinching in the waist, and I just think it's a really cute jacket. And then when it rains in the fall, which it does a lot of, I've got a hood to put on. So I think it's pretty great. What do you guys think? Okay, last jacket, my friends. Okay, guys, so this is one that I bought thanks to Kelly Schaffner. She was going through jackets at the beginning of this fall, and she was looking for trench coats. And she looked fantastic in her trench coats, and so I decided I needed a trench coat, apparently. I never wanted a trench coat before that, and then all of a sudden I did, and I desperately wanted a trench coat. And to be honest with you guys, I love this, and I wear it all the time. So this is from New York and Company, and it's just a simple, traditional trench coat. Here, you know, it's got the kind of the fold on the back like trench coats do, and it is just a really, really cute coat, I think. I mean, that's my opinion. What do you guys think? But it fits really well. I wasn't sure because with New York Company, I ordered a few jackets, and like there was a beautiful Moto jacket that had, you know, it was the Faux Suede plus some knit material, but it was just extra small. It was still way too big. But this one actually fits really well, and I was really excited about that. So, what do you guys think? And I'm a trench coat girl now. I've considered getting this jacket in different colors. But, I mean, it's really, I don't need it in different colors. It just, I like it a lot and I want more. Okay, I do have one last jacket I want to show you guys, and this purchase was a huge mistake in my opinion. I don't know what I was thinking. So, My husband and I, we went in a pawn shop. He was looking for a guitar, and this is when I couldn't find any Moto jackets or anything. And so they had these women's motorcycle jackets. And I found one in a small, and I put it on, and I decided it fit. I didn't look in a mirror. I didn't have my husband take picture or video of me. I just thought, it fit. So flash forward to, I put it on when I'm home, and then I look at it, and it was like, what the crap? I look terrible in this. You know, this is a real, authentic, leather Harley Davidson jacket, which I do not ride motorcycles. I do not have a motorcycle. So I'm a little bit of a poser here, but what do you guys think? I mean, I think I look stupid and it looks way too big, and I'm kind of mad that I bought it. Oh, whoops. But I love to hear you guys' opinions. Okay, let's recap now. Okay, let's real quick just go over the jackets and one last thought on them, and then I'd love for you guys to leave your comments below on what you guys thought. So we've got Harley Davidson jacket. It's cool, it's quality, it looks dumb on me, so should not have bought that. The trench coat, I love this. This is my most worn jacket so far this fall because it's a dressier coat that I wear to work every day. So really happy with this. My Anorak jacket, love this jacket so much. Have not worn it yet, but I plan to wear it this weekend when we do fall activities because this looks extremely fall. So I'm really excited about that. The black Moto trench jacket, I didn't like the quality of the material. It just was not really what I was thinking it was going to look like, and it was just eh. So that's going back. The plum Moto jacket, really like this. Can't wait to wear it. So I'm really happy about this jacket. What do you guys think of that color? I just think it's a fun, unique, fallish color. I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, then the black Moto jacket, love this. I've worn this a few times already. I feel very cute and stylish in it, and I've actually found it to be the perfect traveling jacket for me because it's very lightweight, so it almost works like a sweatshirt or something like that, but it's much more stylish. I might do a video on that sometime about traveling or traveling out. I don't know. That sounds stupid. So anyways, so this has been a great jacket. I like this a lot. Then we have the boyfriend blazer. Love this. Would wear it probably 3 times a week if that wasn't weird. So really happy with this. And finally, the Ruche sleeve blazer. This one's a little snug, but I'm still wearing it over things and still really liking it. So still a winner in my mind. Whew. That's all the jackets. So what did you guys think? Would love to hear your thoughts. If you are not subscribed, then please subscribe below. If you guys like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Hopefully I wasn't too snotty during this. I have a sinus infection right now. And thank you guys for bearing with me. And I really appreciate you guys. So hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.